So we needed Christianity for the idea of the image of God to explode, to become this social detonator that it actually means. What happened? Well, both in the Christian East and in the Christian West, the first church fathers, the first Christian authors to comment on the book of Genesis, link the notion of image of God with the Roman legal concept of dignitas, of dignity. In the East, Theophilus of Antioch, and in the West, Tertullian do that. They link these two concepts. And by linking the biblical concept with a concept of law, they make the Bible relevant for the organization of society. What was dignitas? Dignitas was the highest social value to which a Roman aspired. It was recognition, it was social standing, and usually what you had to do in Roman society and Hellenistic society too, was you had to have virtue. You needed to display virtus, virtue, prowess, and it usually was prowess in battle. You had to kill thousands of enemies of Rome, and then you had won meritum, you had merited that the Senate conferred dignitas on you, dignity on you. And so the Christian fathers, when they take the word dignitas, what they do is they turn it on its head. They say, you are given dignity from God. It's for free. It's independently of whether you're a slave or an emperor, a humble artisan or a general. You have the dignity of a son or a daughter of God because you are the image of God. And because you have this dignity, you are called to live virtuously, and then you receive merit. You receive eternal life and grace on earth. You increase your grace on earth. So the pyramid of social honor was inverted. It was set on its head. And this was an unbearable provocation for the social order of the time. And those who persecuted the Christian faith felt that this was a mortal threat for the Roman social elite, which was essentially classist. The laws did not apply equally to everyone. A non-Roman was punished much more severely than a Roman, and then among the Roman citizens there was a higher class of people who were exempt from the laws, or had different laws applying to them. So equal dignity for all as a consequence of the inculturization of Christian faith, of biblical faith in society. And in business, dignity has many consequences. Dignity means seeing persons, the image of God in customers, in clients, in people who buy from us and from whom we buy. We don't want to succumb to materialism. People are never a mere means or merchandise. They are priceless. They have dignity.